is a video on how to use the Google Home app, and a little overview of all the sections and settings. So this is for the new version 2.6 that Google recently released. So let's have a look how to use it. So first we're going to go to the Play Store. So you've got to find the app for the Play Store. If you don't have it, scroll up and find the app. I'm doing this tutorial on a Google Pixel phone, but similar principles apply in other devices, such as Apple or Android or Samsung or any type of devices like that. So we'll go to the Play Store. We'll type in Google Home, and you can see the app is here. So I'll hit install. Okay. Installing. So installing here. Okay, I'll drag it to the main screen so I can get to it all the time. Okay, so I'll open it up. It says welcome. Let's get started. Now I'm going to select my main account. Okay. Just you can watch the tutorial, but you can just dismiss it if you've already watched it. Dismiss. Okay. So this is what I've already set up or prepared earlier. But let's go through the sections of this app. So this is the home page of the Google Home app. If I go into this icon, it's the Discover. So a few different suggestions on voice commands and what's playing at the moment and so forth. Next is the Browse section on different apps you can use and different content you can play or display or cast on Google Home on various devices. Then obviously the account page, which has things like adding devices, settings, preferences, mirroring. They've moved mirroring unfortunately here, and a couple of other areas if you need them, and a quick way to access your basic controls is to go back home, and at the top you'll see the controls. If they're available, they'll ungray and you can use them. You can add devices. You just connect it in the house by clicking add. As you can see, you can choose a number of different things you can add, like inviting various members of your house, or adding a new device or creating a new home. You could have multiple houses as well. And obviously the settings is quickly accessible from home. So just the basic sort of areas that are related to the Google Home. But if you need to get to all the controls, you've got to go back to the account page and then hit the settings button. Don't ask me why they've separated it like that, but that's okay. And so in the settings you've got personal information, so you can do a whole lot of adjustments, which we will cover in another video. Assistant tab with anything to do with the Google Assistant, configuring those areas, services, So various services that you can connect or link to Google Home, and then my home section where I can add home members, add devices, and adjust the rooms I've set up. So pretty straightforward. But it's and obviously here is another really good place to see the local device summary of what you've got. That's about it for the new 2.6 Google Home app. If you have any requests or questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer. Thank you.